Ambulance service, what's the full address of the emergency?
My husband, I don't think he's alive. I think he's died next to me. Basically, I just woke up and he's making a bit of a funny noise. I went to the toilet, I've come back, but there's just absolutely no response from him at all. And
Okay, right.
I don't think he's breathing. I
Okay,
don't think he's doing anything.
Right, okay. I'm organising the help for you now. Stay on the
Thank
line.
you.
I'm going to tell you exactly what to do next. Are you right by him now?
Yes, I
Okay,
am.
listen carefully. We need to lay him flat on his back on the floor and remove anything under his head.
Can he stay on the bed?
No, we need to get him flat on his back on the floor now, okay? Put me on speaker if you need to, alright? Right, listen carefully. I'm going to tell you how to do chest compressions, okay? We're going to place the heel of your hand on the breastbone in the center of the chest, right between the nipples. Put your other hand on top of that hand. We're going to pump the chest hard and fast, at least twice per second and 2 inches deep. Let the chest come all the way up between pumps. We're going to do this until help can take over, okay? So I'm going to count you in. We're going at the rhythm of 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Is that him there?
Yeah.
Okay. Any response from him there?
No, just
Okay.
like a snort noise.
Okay, keep going for me at that rate. Okay, we are coming as quickly as we can.
Okay.
4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, I'll leave with the crew to take care.
Thank you. Thank you.